Friends, biotechnology is not an independent science. By this, what I mean is biotechnology is highly multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary. Biotechnology study comprises of study of microorganisms, genetics, immunology, and whatnot. So, biotechnologist is like a conductor in a music orchestra who knows how to combine and bring about a very meaningful music out of multiple and independent instruments. Biotechnology has a potential to answer a lot of problems faced in the agriculture industry, food industry, leather industry, healthcare industry, and so on. As a biotechnologist, every one of us should take a pride that we are directly responsible for making a change in the life of human being and life around. Thank you.